I'm recording the sewer line here at 1467 Elliott Ave. We are in the Albert Lee building. I'm recording this from the clean out sewer access here in kind of the refrigerator, I don't know what this is, storage room. I pull back about 85 feet out, the turn in the pipe there. I've seen a little bit of pipe separation. Coming back from that, show the problem spots I'm seeing with the pipe. So here's a new repair. That's 6-inch concrete pipe we're going through at the start of the video. This is a section that's been repaired at some point. So this is plastic piping. Somebody has dug this up and repaired it at some point. Coming back into 6-inch concrete again, and then into 6-inch clay pipe. So now we're in clay pipe. A pretty good sized root there in the line. And we're going through a flat section of pipe here, so pretty flat through this area. You see the pipe's holding quite a bit of water. The pipe should never be holding water like that. So when I'm done recording this, I'm going to go out and do a little bit of pipe locating and see if we can't fix that section. Got a turn in the clay there. Coming back into 4-inch clay right here. So this is a 4x6 is what they call that. We're transitioning to smaller diameter pipe. Right here we're looking at where it's coming back into the cast iron. And pulling back cast iron, we're underneath the building. And then we're coming up the clean out access there. So there's the access we recorded this from. I'm going to end the video there. Do some locating.